Okay, you guys, this is what I found at my local Dollar Tree. Y'all see how many I got? I'm always needing these. Y'all better run and get y'all some of these. This is what they look like. $1.25 at my local Dollar Tree, and they retail for up to $20 a pack. Run, you guys! And my Dollar Tree had tons of them. But I be using these for Christmas trees, outdoors fans, my theater chairs to hook up, and they always break and getting towed up. My deep freezers, I just use them for so many different use I have for them. So I don't have to pay $10, $15 a pack for them no time soon. So yay.